Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to create social media videos, YouTube content, ads or short clips in 2026, Canva makes video creation simple even if you are never edited a video before. Drag and drop video editor, ready-made video templates, built-in animations and music works for Reels, TikTok, YouTube and ads. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to create a video in 2026 in Canva cleanly, correctly and like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, start a new video project. So open Canva, log into your accounts, click create or plus. Choose a video format, so you have to click videos. Okay, so mobile videos, YouTube videos, presentation videos, costume videos. So always choose the correct format for your platform. Okay, so you have here many templates. Okay, so let's choose this one. For example, this is for YouTube most probably. So choose a video template, as I said. I mean the choose the format, and then you can choose the templates if you want. Okay, so you will find them on the sidebar. Okay, click templates, search for style like Instagram reel, YouTube intro. Okay, slideshow, educational video. So then click a template to apply it. Templates save a lot of editing time. Okay, so from the left sidebar, click up the upload to add your own clip. Okay, and or click videos to use stock footage. Okay, drag clips onto the timeline. Each clip becomes a scene in your video. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.